Congratulations and welcome to the Honda family. It's almost time to take the wheel of your new vehicle. Before the big day arrives, you have the chance to define your delivery experience on your terms, with a customized experience that's seamless and personalized. Satisfaction with your new vehicle delivery is our top priority. Let us know what you prefer, whether it's learning online, with some help from your sales consultant or the delivery specialist, or both. We'll plan a delivery just for you. You'll enjoy time savings and the ability to focus on the features that interest you most. Here are a few simple steps. To start, register to create a My Garage account if you don't yet have one. Then, access My Garage on your desktop or mobile device's web browser. From there, go to the Delivery Experience tab to access your owner's dashboard and learn what to expect during delivery. At the delivery setup, begin your experience by personalizing your delivery to meet your preferences. Define what you would like to learn and focus on as part of your delivery. View videos and read articles to learn about your vehicle's features. Then, specify the details of what you'd like covered during your delivery. Once you've mapped out your learning plan, submit it. The subscription section is where you initiate the enrollment process and choose the complimentary trial subscriptions you'd like to activate on your new vehicle. Lastly, review your summarized delivery plan and click Save. You can always make changes or come back to learn more before your delivery. Connect with your dealership to bring your plan to life. The more you personalize your plan, the more satisfied you'll feel during vehicle delivery. Define your delivery experience today.